You might have heard that we are average of the 5 people we surround ourselves with. So the people we surround ourselves with matter a lot. If you hang out with good people, you will become good. And if you hang out with bad people, you will become bad. It's very simple. Number 1. Surround yourself with the people who inspire you. If that person forces you or help you to do better at your work and always inspires you to do big things with his or her awesome knowledge, then that person can be added to your friends list. Number 2. Surround yourself with the people that are more successful than you. If you think you might feel like a loser, if you surround yourself with the people that are more successful than you, then let me tell you, if you make your friends to those that are more successful than you, then you will become better than you are now. Number 3. Surround yourself with the people that have big dreams. No one can achieve their target until they dream about it. So it is very important thing to find in a person before you make him or her your friend. Because big dreams create big results and the small create small. Number 4. Surround yourself with the people that give you the honest feedback. It is very easy to fake something. The hard part is telling someone the truth. And if you find someone who tells you the real thing or gives you the honest feedback, then that person is the one you should consider to make your friend. Number 5. Surround yourself with the people that value their time. Our time is limited, and the way we spend our time defines who we are. The time is what we want the most, but what we use worst. So before you make someone your friend, just check the value of time for him or her. Thanks for watching.